Hi, good morning. I am M. Raju, Assistant Professor of English, working for WITS Varangal. Welcome to WITS Varangal. Today, I am going to start one of the very most important topics which is helpful in your future. The first topic is need for English. Language is the primary medium of human social interaction. It means through which social relations are constructed and maintained in a globalized world. It means every people needs and uses language as a means to communicate each other. People need language to express their needs in many aspects of life. The English language is very essential language as it is spoken and understands around the world. You can understand how important English is. And also it is also known by the name of the global language. Every country conducts a language learning test to check the ability of a person whether he will be able to survive in the country with the native speakers. Look at the examples. What is the importance of English and why should we learn English? English plays an important role in various fields such as linked language, library language, global language, window on the world, language for employment, language for trade and business, language for science and technology. Students, just look at the examples. Why English is called a link language? English is responsible for our contact with the outside world. We need political, economical, and cultural link with the rest of the world. English is the link language not only in India but international level also. It is the medium for all discussions in the UNO and Commonwealth. Just imagine how English is responsible for our outside. For example, if you want to communicate, if you want to know something about different states, different persons, situations, different persons' conditions, financials, social, economic, whatever it may be, you can understand we need some language. That is, most of them use English as their second language, and also it is also known by everybody. And also another example, why English is called a library language? A language which is widely and fruitfully used to collect knowledge and information from books. 80% of world's electronically stored information in English language only. And also it is a key to store house of knowledge. While the goal is to adapt the regional language as the medium of education, we will like to stress again that is doesn't involve elimination of English. Regular use of English as a library language develops our reading skills and widens our horizon in regard of world affairs. And also one of the reason that why English is called a global language. Of all modern languages, not one has acquired such great strength and vigor as the English. For example, most all over the world, most of the people speak only as their second language. We already discussed. Why? Because English is well recognized language which all the people can understand their problems, their situations, and their response. It may be called justly a language of the world, and it seems like the English nation to be destined reign in future with still more extensive sway over all parts of the globe. Look at the examples in this world map. The green tick, which is you are seeing in this map, it is totally English speaking countries. And also the light green, which is located right side, they speak their mother tongue. And almost English covered by all over the world. And also one of the reasons that we have been studying English since our childhood, but we are not able to speak proper English. How to learn English effectively? For example, sitting at a table looking at your notebooks is not the best way to study English. Here are some techniques that will help you learn more effectively. If you want to learn English, first, we should learn for language skills. What do you mean by language skills? Listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And also, very most important, vocabulary and grammar. For example, if you listen carefully, you can understand the what they are saying. The most of the brain is ideal, this attention deviates and listening gets affected. And also, if you want to learn the language, first and foremost thing is be a good listener. Be a good listener. First, if you want to be a good listener, eyes are on the speaker, mouth is quiet, hands are still, brain is thinking about what is being said, ears listen carefully, feet are still. Just you can understand, if you want to learn a language, first listen very carefully. Listen is the first and finest thing to learn a new language or any language.